my channel. This is Ebony Star. So in today's video I want to show you how I made this braid. Yes. How I made this braid. I don't know why I'm laughing. So make sure you watch it from beginning to the end. I'm very sorry, this video will be very short. I'm almost done before I even remember that I want to make a video. So yeah, this is it. This is the last line, like the last part of the hair that I want to make. So this is how I did the hair. I divide this hair into three, like the front side into two and the back side. So this is it. So I'm done with the two sides. It remains this back side. So now I will divide this part into four, and this is it. This is the first part. So now this is a knotless braid anyway. So I'm going to divide it into three, then I'll add attachments to it like this. I'll braid, I will collect attachments, I will braid, and then I'll collect attachments again. So collecting attachment depends on the way you want it to be thick, the way you want it to be big, how tiny you want it, or how big you want it. So it depends. And make sure when you are doing this braids, make sure you hide your attachments. Like you hide you hide the hair. I'm very sorry that it is raining here, so sorry if you cannot hear me clearly. So I'm going to add the attachments like this. I'll keep adding, and please, when you add the attachments, make sure you are when you are adding attachments, make sure you hide the attachments, and make sure you also hide the you can see the way I'm braiding, and you can see the way I hide the hair, and the way I hide the attachment. So I'll just keep braiding. So I'll get to the point that I'm going to collect attachments. Yes, I'll get to the point when I see that the hair is getting tiny and I want it to be a little bit big. Like I don't want it to be too big and I don't want it to be very tiny. So I'll collect attachment. So now I'm going to braid it again for more understanding. So I will cut, I will divide the hair into three and braid once. After braiding once, I will collect attachment to it. So I said it earlier, if you want it to be a big one, it depends on the way you collect attachment, and if you want it to be tiny, it also depends on the way you collect the attachment. I want this one to be just in a medium size, and the cutting is very tiny. I've told you about the cutting too. I divide the hair into three, like the front, I call the back side, and the front side too. I divide that front side into two. I did it in I braid the left side to the left side, like the left part of the hair to the left side, and the right to the right side, and the back side also to the back side. And make sure when you are braiding, make sure you keep you hide the attachment. When you're adding attachment, make sure you hide the attachment, and make sure you also braid the hair so that the hair, the natural hair, the customer hair is not removing, and make sure the customer hair is tight. So guys, this is when I'm done braiding. And see how beautiful the hair turns out to be, and you can see the cutting is small and the braid is a little bit thick from the tip to the bottom. So thank you for watching, guys. This is Ebony Style. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe, turn on the notification bell to see more of my videos. So thank you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.